Okay, I've been asked to do a tutorial for that lick that I played when I did the bass cover for Mona Mona by Keke. So the song is played at the key of B. B will actually be the open string of this first string here. Okay, so if you come down here, this will be your B. Okay, so as you had the lick, I played it this side. So if you come this side on your higher octaves, this will be your B. So this is your 1, sorry, this is your 1, this is your 2, this is your 3. So when I played the lick, I started from 2 to 3. Okay, I hope you can see that. It starts from 2 to 3, then it comes up to this will be your 5 and this will be your 6. So it's then okay, I'm gonna play that one a little bit faster. So it's I hope that will help. Maybe we should play it together with the song. Okay, that's it.